Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box, and here we can see the warranty card, the user manual, here the protective glass one, here with the wipes, and the original SIM jack tool. Also here we have the hand strap, the black one here. Also the next thing, that's the USB Type-C cable, and the last thing, that's the Doogee charger brick, the original one with all of the specs here. So that's it. And also our Doogee device. So that's it. That all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.